forward roll. Before you take this skill onto the beam, it's a really good idea to make sure that you can forward roll along a line first. So practice that at home. Put a line down, roll across it, practice it lots of times, and when you've mastered it, move on to putting this skill on the beam. Now, before you start, you're going to squat down, stretch up tall, and squat down. Now, one foot should be flat on the beam. Can you put one foot flat? And the other one should be up on its toe, just like this. Okay, now you're going to reach forwards into your forward roll. Okay, tucking your head nice and close into your body. Good. When you finish, show us that landing position again. So you come up into this landing position and finish. Okay, we're going to watch that through again and really watch for the reach that she does. Let's start from that side. Wonderful reach there, that's what you're looking for. Each time you do it, try and reach like that, okay, and don't forget to finish in that nice squat position before you finally finish.